Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will teach you how to fix iPhone Not Vibrating on silent and ring mode after new iOS update. Guys, many iPhone users have complained about this. If your device has the same problem, then in today's video, I will tell you how to fix this problem. So for this, first of all, you go to the settings app on your iPhone. Now tap on sound and haptic. Next, swipe down and enable this option. Play haptic in ring mode and play haptic in silent mode. If these options are not enabled here, your iPhone will not vibrate even on silent or ring mode. Method 2. Check vibration settings on your iOS device. For this, launch the settings app on your iOS device, swipe down and tap on accessibility. On the accessibility page, tap on touch. Here, swipe down to find vibration and switch it on. When the switch is off, all the vibration on your device will be disabled. Method 3 is adjust your silent or ring mode from here. That's it. Like and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.